pesky caterpillars! Hi everyone, welcome to my farm. Please like and subscribe. This field is perfect for planting. I can almost see the crops growing. Time to plant these saplings, one by one, nice and steady. Grow strong, little one. Time to water the new banana crops. Ah, look at that sparkle, perfect for growth. Beautiful day for harvesting. Look at these ripe tomatoes, and some chilies too. Time to cook these fresh veggies. Smells wonderful already. Oh no, my bananas! Look at these holes, pesky caterpillars! Time to spray the bananas. Perfect coverage, the plants will thrive. Howdy, farm friends, time for some tasty treats. Here you go, little duckies. Eat up, everyone. Wow, look at those banana plants. The bananas are growing so well. Time to protect the bananas. Whoa, look at these beauties. Perfect for the harvest. Time to tend my bananas. Almost done with this row. Fresh bananas coming through. Bananas for sale. Over here, a bunch, please.
You got it. Thank you.
Woohoo! What a ride! Perfect. Nothing beats hot tea after a long day. Fresh eggs. Thanks, ducks. Look at my dragon fruit plants. They're growing so well. Time to go. Goodbye.